Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share one of the very old style Balinese dessert called Bubuh Sum Sum. So this is basically rice porridge, flavored with the Suji leaf, and also this Suji leaf will give the green color to the porridge. And later when we serve it, we serve with the palm sugar syrup and fresh grated coconut. And it's very simple to make. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the palm sugar syrup. So here I have some palm sugar, which is I'm going to slice it first, and then I add to the pan. Add the palm sugar, some pandan leaves, so to add more flavor to the palm sugar. Just give a little bit squeeze, and half teaspoon of the salt, some fresh water. Put the heat into medium, and stir it. So I cook it until all the sugar melted and bubbling. So the palm sugar is ready. Let's sift it now. We cool it down until completely cool. So next we're going to prepare the Suji leaf juice. If you don't have a Suji leaf, you can always drop a few pandan paste. And here I have my Suji leaves already cut earlier. So this is very easy. Just add the Suji leaves and some water. Blend it until smooth. So let's sift it. Oh, look at the beautiful green color. So we take as much liquid as we can. So now let's add the rice flour in the bowl, tapioca starch, mix a little bit, add some salt, and the Suji leaves juice. Add little by little. Add the coconut milk. And some fresh water. Make sure everything is well combined. And now I'm going to sift it. And I add some pandan leaves. Put the heat into medium. And keep stirring it and cook until it's thick enough. So I add more water because it's quite thick. So when it starts bubbling like this, it means it's cooked. And also the consistency is thick enough. So now I'm going to prepare the grated coconut. Let's put it aside. So now let's plate it. So put a little bit of porridge. Then I add some fresh grated coconut. Then add some palm sugar syrup on the top. Looks so yummy. And just put a little bit of the pandan leaf garnish. So here we are, Bubuh Sum Sum. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. Come and join with me on your next visit to my island home, and we can cook authentic Balinese recipes together. For more information, kindly contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur Suksma. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.